Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 15. Adding a class.
I am unsure how to add a class and need help.
I have an opening. Do you have an ad sheet for me to sign?
Yes, I have an ad sheet.
After I sign it, you must take it to the admissions and records office to add the class. Do you know where that is?
No, I'm not sure.
When you cross the quad, the office is right in front of you. Go inside and follow the signs to the correct line.
Thanks. I understand what to do now.
It should be easy to find. After you add the class, check with me in a few weeks to make sure that you are on my rule sheet.
That sounds good.
Good, just make sure that you do the same thing if you ever need to drop a class. Good luck.
Professor, can you help me add your class?
You have to bring me an ad sheet to sign. Do you have one?
No, I will have to get an ad sheet.
You must take the signed ad slip to the admissions and records office to add the class. Do you know where that is?
No, I don't know where that is.
The office is in front of you as you cross the quad. The signs in the hallway will tell you where you need to be.
I think I can find it.
You'll find it easily. Make sure you add the class, and then we will look at the roll sheet later to make sure that you were added on.
Thank you for letting me add your class.
To drop a class, you need to do the same thing with a drop slip. Good luck.
I am not sure how to add a class.
Do you have an ad sheet for me to sign?
I'll bring one next time.
When you get the signed ad slip, you must take it to the admissions and records office, or you will not be added. Can you find the office?
I think I know where it is.
Across the courtyard on the right is the office. Follow the signs to the correct line. Is that clear?
Thank you for your directions. It's clear.
You can't miss it. Add the class and then come back. We'll check later to make sure you are on the roll sheet.
That's great. Thank you so much.
Do the same thing with the drop slip if you ever need to drop a class. Good luck.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.